Let me take advantage of this peace and quiet around here and give you a garden tour. My pepper bed, I can see the peppers growing already. I feel like they were teeny tiny when I transplanted them, and I can see them growing now. Also, that like sea urchin looking thing made its way into my bed. This is my Genovese basil. It's looking so good already. It's growing so big. Oh my gosh, just moving this around, you can smell it and it smells so good. My purple basil is also doing fine. My violas are getting taller, so they just like flop around everywhere. Today they were like that. Yesterday they were all that way. My black-eyed Susans are so freaking tall now, and I think we're getting really close to seeing a flower. I'm confident my dahlias are getting shaded out by these black-eyed Susans. My cosmos are looking so bushy now. When did this happen? My Dollar Tree zinnias, we finally have a bloom, you guys. Look at how pretty it is. We have another one coming in soon. My zucchini and cucumbers are doing fine. My guajillo peppers are starting to produce little buds already, which I'm gonna pinch off. This Bella Rosa starting to produce flowers. This Marglobe has seen better days, but we have lots of blooms. And this Roma has actually produced a little tomato. I haven't even noticed that. Here's my Goldie Honey Bear sunflower. Here's my black Krim, my Kilimanjaro white marigold, getting tall. What is this one again? A Marglobe, my other Marglobe. This one actually fell over during the strong winds. I felt so bad. But it looks like it's doing fine now. I staked it back up. My Sweet Million also completely flopped over during the storm that we had. And I feel bad because I was just inside enjoying the storm, not even realizing that my tomatoes are out here fighting for their lives. My indigo blue chocolate, not violet anymore. Oh, another Roma. This one's a little bit shorter than the other one, I don't know why. Another Kilimanjaro white marigold. It's practically taller than the tomato plant already, that's crazy. This is my other Bella Rosa and a little tiny marigold. This is my Black Beauty and a very tall white marigold. And my Queen Violet sunflower. I can't wait to see these get very tall. My experimental carrots. I'm hoping to at least get one good one just to grow a carrot for the first time. Lettuce. My Chinese 5 pepper. Look at her in the garden. I love her.